Hello students, today we will discuss about the cell organelles embedded in the cytoplasm. Cell organelles are embedded in the cytoplasm. Cell organelles embedded in the cytoplasm. Now the cell organelles embedded in the cytoplasm are: number 1, endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum is an irregular network of double membranous structure. The irregular network of double membranous structure at the inner end, it is attached to the nucleus. At the outer end, it is attached to the cell membrane. Inner end attached to the nucleus, while outer end is attached to the cell membrane. So, if this is a cell and the nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum starts from here, it continues to the cell membrane. So it is a kind of supportive framework to the cell. It is a pathway for the transportation of substances from the cell, and supportive framework. So the function is pathway for transportation. Number 2 is supporting framework to the nucleus. Next is on the basis of presence and absence of ribosomes, the endoplasmic reticulum is of two types. Endoplasmic reticulum, two types: smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. In smooth endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes are absent. While in rough endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes are present. Ribosomes are responsible for the synthesis of protein. They are the protein factories. When they are attached to the endoplasmic reticulum, they give a rough appearance or coarse appearance to the network. And since the appearance is rough, the term is rough endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum at the inner end attached to the nucleus, outer end attached to the cell membrane. Function is transportation of substances from the nucleus to within the cell or to other parts of the cell. Then supporting framework to the cell. Endoplasmic reticulum, two types: smooth and rough, depending upon the presence or absence of ribosomes. Ribosomes present gives a rough appearance, while when they are absent, the endoplasmic reticulum is termed as smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Next to endoplasmic reticulum is the ribosomes. Just now we have discussed ribosomes. Ribosomes are small round structures. Small round structures. They are responsible for the protein synthesis. So they are also termed as protein factories of the cell. Next is the mitochondria. Mitochondria is oval, spherical or rod-shaped structure. Oval, spherical or rod-shaped structure, rod-shaped membranous structure, membranous structure. At the inner end, in the mitochondria, at the inner end, finger-like projections are present or processes are present. These finger-like processes are termed as cisternae. Mitochondria are the site for respiration, and as we know, respiration is the physiological process in which food is broken down to release energy. Since energy is released in this process, so mitochondria is responsible to release energy. Energy is always in the form of ATP, that is adenosine triphosphate. Adenosine triphosphate is stored in the mitochondria, is formed during the respiration process, stored in the mitochondria. So mitochondria is termed as powerhouse of the cell. Next to this is Golgi apparatus. This apparatus contains flattened sac-like structures, vesicles, small round oval bodies. All together it forms a complex, and this flattened membranous structure stacked one above the other, and the round vesicles or vacuoles presented together, these form a Golgi complex. Golgi complex. Golgi complex is the packaging unit of the cell. Packaging unit, all the secretion process, secretions within the cell or secretions of the cell, whether it is enzymes, hormones, these secretions are transported and packaged by the Golgi complex. These are the secretions of the cells are transported and packaged by the Golgi complex. So this is the packaging unit. Next is lysosomes. Lysosomes. These are the shapes may vary, oval or granular or spherical. These are small structures, minute structures. They have minute spherical structures. They are either attached to the endoplasmic reticulum or scattered freely in the cytoplasm. Attached to the endoplasmic reticulum or scattered in the cytoplasm. The lysosomes contain digestive enzymes. These digestive enzymes are released to destroy foreign substances. Near the lysosome, lysosomes destroy the enzymes released by the lysosomes destroy the foreign substances. Number 2 is during unfavorable condition, they utilize the stored food. Or digest the stored food. In the damaged cell, in the damaged or destroyed cell, the function of lysosomes is to dissolve or digest these cells. So they are doing the function of cleaning process also, dissolving and digesting the waste materials or the dead cells. Next to this is And we have discussed endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes, mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, lysosomes. Now one more thing is centrosome or centriole and centrosome and centrioles and centriole. Centrosome contains two centrioles at right angles to each other, and since they are at right angles to each other, it gives this type of appearance where in the microscopic view. Centrioles, the function of centriole is during the mitotic or meiotic division, they move apart, releases spindle fibers during the cell division. Two centrioles present in the centrosome move apart, releases spindle fiber at the time of cell division. Next to this is the last topic of today is plastids. Plastids may vary in shape and size. The names depend upon the color they impart. Depending upon the color they impart, number one is the leucoplast, number two is chromoplast, and the last is chloroplast. Leucoplast contains no pigment and responsible to store starch. No pigment is present in the cells. They are responsible for the storage of starch. These leucoplasts or these plastids are more in amount in the potato cells for the storage of starch. Next is the chromoplast. Chromoplast impart yellow, red or orange coloration to the part. The pigments responsible for this is xanthophyll and carotene. The color of the petals or fruits, petals of flower, then fruits, is just because of these pigments present in the plant parts. Next is the chloroplast. Chloroplast contains a pigment chlorophyll. This chloroplast is more abundant in the areas which that are exposed to the sunlight, and the role of chlorophyll is to trap sunlight. For the process of photosynthesis. So all these plastids are present. Leucoplast is for no coloration or for white coloration. Chromoplast to impart yellow, red or orange color. Chloroplast is for green color of the leaves and to trap sunlight. Next is one more pigment is anthocyanin. Anthocyanin is also present in plant cells, but these are not present. These are not the part of the plastids. They are dissolved in the cell sap. And give violet, blue or purple color to the cell. Now, quick recap of what we have studied. So first was endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum is the supportive framework, supportive network. Number two was the ribosomes, protein factories. Number three, mitochondria. Mitochondria, energy currency. Number four, Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus packaging unit. Number 5 is the lysosome. Lysosome, cleaning system or the digestive system. Digestive system to clean. Next is next was the centrosome. Centrosome or centriole. Division process. Division process. Next, last one is the plastid coloration. So in the cell, as a whole, the cell is the structural or functional unit. But all these cell organelles are responsible to perform all the functions of the cell. Supportive function, protein synthesis, energy synthesis, energy releasing processes, packaging unit, digestive system or cleaning system, then division process or giving coloration to the cell. So all as a whole, the cell is complete in itself to perform all the metabolic activities. That's all for today. Thank you.